Can ChatGPT make a song? Hey guys, welcome. In this video, I will be showing you can ChatGPT write or make a song for you? This is the most asked question about ChatGPT. We know that ChatGPT can answer any question we want. It can write a code for us. It can explain difficult terms for us and answer our simple questions. But can a ChatGPT write a song for us, make a song for us where it will show me, it will actually create a song for me from our lyrics to our melody? So let's get into it. First of all, what you guys need to do is you're going to go to openai.com and you will land right here. ChatGPT is a model that works in a conversational way. It allows you to ask follow-up questions. We will be able to actually challenge the incorrect premises, and we can also able to get all the information. So you can click on try ChatGPT and then you will create your account here. It is available for free too. There is a free version, and you can also upgrade to the plus one if you want to access it anytime you want. So I am here on ChatGPT. Let's get into it. Let's create a song. Let's actually begin our new conversation with ChatGPT by giving it a simple command, which is going to be writing the lyrics for a song. So I'm gonna actually write the command, so I gave the command to our ChatGPT and I asked it to write a hit song which is titled Oh Love. Now this is like a title that I wanted to go for. And you can see it's actually writing a song for me. We have verses and chorus. So I'm just going to give it a second to write the complete lyrics for the song. Our song is completed. You can see it has verse 1, then we have a chorus, we have verse 2, chorus, bridge, and then we have chorus and outro. Now let's just check out the lyrics. We have a title, Old Love, and this is the song that I wrote, like I generated in 1 minute. I saw you at the corner store. It's been years since we last spoke. We caught up on the old times and my heart began to choke. Oh love, it never dies, keeps on burning like a fire inside. Oh love, it hurts to ignore. It's a feeling that we cannot ignore. Okay, the lyrics are actually pretty good. We reminisced about the good old days and the memories flooded in. Our love was like a fairy tale, and we both knew we'd never win. The rhyming is actually pretty impressive that we got with ChatGPT, and the lyrics look amazing. Now, as a music producer, and I think this is actually life changing, you can get your songs created like this. You can create lyrics in minutes. You can even write raps with ChatGPT. So you can see it's the outro. It's a flame that will forever stay. All love, it's hard to ignore. It's a feeling that we can't ignore. So these lyrics are actually really good, perfect. This is what I was looking for. Now I'm gonna ask ChatGPT, I'm gonna continue the conversation, and if I want to add another verse, I can do that. I can ask ChatGPT to write another verse. So it will do that for me now, and it will write another verse for me. You can see it's writing again, and it knows our rhyming. It knows what the song is, and you can see now it's writing another verse for me. So this is how you can create more verses. You can create the outro. You can work on the verses again. You can ask it to rewrite something for you, and you will get the best lyrics. So once the lyrics are done for the song, now we can move on to the next part, which is actually making a song. So as a music producer, you have your tools. What you're going to do is it will give you a melody. It will give you the beats, everything. So I'm going to ask it to give me, so I will be writing, let's say, a pop song for this one. So it's going to give me some beats for it, and it will explain to me as well that we're going to go with an upbeat dance pop. And this is what it will be. It will also explain the types of the music that I can go for, the different beats that I can go for this song. So you can see it's explaining to me that what beats I can go for. So once it's done, now I can ask ChatGPT to actually write an ethereal chord progression that can pass as a pop song. So this is my command, and you can see now I got our answer. So this is what we got. We got like a C major, and then we also have like C chord. We have G chord added right here. And you can see it also explained it to me, which is actually pretty impressive, but this is what we wanted. We got our, chord right here, and it will also pass as a pop song. So this is perfect. This is what I was looking for. Now I can give more commands such as add some jazz extension. So this is what we're talking about. You can see an updated chord progression for some jazz extensions. So here we got our answer. And again, it's explaining it to me how I can, create these chords. So this is what I got for my jazz extensions. Very impressive. Moving on, can you break down the notes for each chord? Now, this is what I'm talking about. This is where I actually got like different notes for each chord. added right here by ChatGPT. It explained to me everything. So here I have each notes added. You can see we have different notes. We have root notes, we have major, third, perfect, fifth, G, sixth, and the ninth note. So it's explaining it to me. It's giving me the chord, and then it's explaining the notes to me. So this is how you can add like some extensions, and then you can ask it to break down the chords for you. And this is what I got. Now, what we can do with ChatGPT is we got the codes, we got the notes, everything. I can ask it to write different notes in each chord. For instance, write notes in third chord, right? So I can give it the command and it will write it for me. Now you will see. You can see now we got the answer here. The root note, we got the C1, C minus, then we have E, the major third one. And then we got the G, the perfect fifth, then we got the sixth. So these are the different notes that we get in the third chord. This will create the ethereal feel and a chord progression for me for my pop song that I'm creating. Now I can ask it to write a melody for me. So I'm going to ask it to write a melody for this song. And it will literally create a melody for me. You can see. So here we have the melody for this song. You can see again, it's now giving me each note. We have like C, E, G, A, G, E, C, and then we have the lyrics here. It's giving me the chorus and the verses again and the whole melody for the song. You can see right here, the melody features a simple and memorable vocal line. The designs highlights the chords, lush and dreamy quality. So now it explains as well. This is how you can write a melody using ChatGPT. Now, as a song producer, whatever app and software you're using, you're just going to go ahead and create these notes and chords, and then you will be able to make a song. So yes, to answer the question, can ChatGPT make a song? The answer is yes, it can. It will help you get started with a new song from lyrics till the melody till all of the chords. It will explain each note for you. It will create the beat for you. It will give you the idea and also explain it to you how this is working. So as a music producer, this can be really helpful for you, and you can use ChatGPT to make a song. Let's actually create a new chat really quickly, and let me also show you if it can write a rap. So any type of music can be written with ChatGPT. So I'm going to ask it to write a rap for me. Write a rap song, and let's just give it a title. So here we have our rap. You can see we have verse 1, chorus again, we have verse 2. The lyrics are good. Our main topic was future world, and you can see I see the future world, it's a place to be, where is everything connected through technology, a world where we both stream, they never sleep, a world of possibilities and hopes to keep. The rhyming is pretty impressive with the rap, and we have all of these different words. And of course, we can now, create a melody for this one as well. We will be able to create the beat. We will be able to generate a music with ChatGPT. This is how you can start a new conversation anytime you want. And I'm using the free version of ChatGPT, and it's giving me all the answers. The difference between a free version is just that it might not be available sometimes, and it can have a standard response speed, but it does not mean that it will not give you the right answers. So there's no limitation to ChatGPT here. When it comes to writing music, you will be able to write lyrics, and you will be able to actually write notes and chords and create a music. So go ahead and check out ChatGPT right now and create and make your new music to get more productive, creative, and save your time. This brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.